secret agent.
Since when?
Since I got my secret agent kit. Free with Chex. Look, a decoder ring.
You make up messages in secret code.
It's free in Wheat Chex. And here's a secret agent pin. You can write invisible messages and make them appear.
It's magic.
It's free in Rice Chex. And look, a secret message watch.
With a secret compartment.
And it's free in Corn Chex.
I'm gonna get my secret agent kit.
Kids, get your decoder ring, invisible ink pen, secret message watch, free in special boxes of corn, wheat, and rice Chex. The hard charging breakfast from Checkerboard Square.